Hello guys! Welcome to the chapter, Using Reddit for Your Growth. In this lesson, we're going to talk about growing your blog with Reddit. Let's get started. Reddit is full of topics that you can find with a discussion of topics from the posts shared by Redditors. When you share content on Reddit, people need to see that you are legit. They might even check out your karma for your reputation. First, you must build your profile on Reddit, as your profile can be checked out by your fellow Redditors. Your profile even shows your birthday on Reddit, which indicates the day that you have created your account on Reddit. Gain more karma points. Once you build your profile, you may already have good karma on your profile. Keep on sharing your content on the platform that will allow your blog posts to be seen by your Reddit audiences. If they like your post, then they can upvote your post content, which adds up in your post karma. When you have increased your karma points over time, you will have a good reputation on the platform. Before sharing your blog posts, remember that each subreddit have their own community rules that you must abide by. There are times when content creators share their blog posts inside a subreddit that they are not aware that they're violating the community rules. Fellow Redditors may notice this activity and call you out. Keep on engaging with other Reddit users. This will help increase your karma points and your reputation. So make it a habit to engage with other Redditors' posts. People will appreciate your comment, and there's a good chance that they'll upvote your comment. It's better to engage with other Redditors in subreddits that are related to your niche, rather than engaging with tons of subreddit communities that are not related to your brand's niche. Next, strive to gain Reddit awards. Posts with Reddit awards, like Platinum, Silver, and Gold, are prioritized by Reddit to show that post on the top, popular, or hot feed. Redditors can easily browse this section on their feed and stumble on your content, especially if your content is relevant and helpful to the reader. So there's a greater chance that your blog to get more exposure. You also increase your chances of getting more karma. Next, make a list of subreddits that you may find related to your blog's niche. Search for subreddits using the search bar, using the keywords related to your niche, and you'll find tons of subreddits and topics from Redditors. Then take note of that subreddit and add it to your list. Remember to post content in the right subreddit. There are tons of subreddits related to your niche. You just need to find the right subreddits that will fit the content of your blog. You don't want to post SEO marketing content inside the AW subreddit where people only post content to view cute photos or videos of their pets. Also, you must post in the subreddit where there are enough members to view your content. Post your original content on the platform. Sharing content on Reddit is great if the content is not yet seen by Redditors. They can like the post and upvote them, so make it a goal to add value to the subreddit community. Now that you know about growing your blog with Reddit, we can now proceed to the next topic, growing your YouTube channel with Reddit. I'll see you there.